Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to activate Coinbase Card. Activating your Coinbase Card is a simple process and it can be done through the Coinbase website or mobile app. In this video, we are going to do it on website. So first of all, launch open a web browser and then type in coinbase.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're signed into your Coinbase account as well by entering your login credentials. You will then end up in the main homepage for Coinbase. From the main homepage of Coinbase, go ahead and click on the More button on the bottom left corner of the screen. Now click on the Card option and click on Get Started. After you click the Get Started button, enter your card details including the card number and the 3-digit CVV number, and then click on Activate Card to finalize the process. And that's how you will be able to activate your Coinbase card in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.